here's a quick tutorial on how to make contact sheets. So I'm in a folder, and this is just all my images that I put into a separate folder. It's super important that you put things into a separate folder to start with. So here's all of my images. Now, first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to select all of these. So I'm just going to do Command A, and then I go into Photoshop. In Photoshop, I'm going to go to File, Automate, Contact Sheet. Once I'm here, yours will probably default to Files. What I can do is I can just go to Bridge, and it knows what I've already selected. It sees those 25 files. You don't need to change anything down here. This should be 5 and 6. Just double check that it is 5 and 6. And then you just hit OK. What it's going to do is process all of this together. It'll find the images, make them smaller, and attach it in. Now, depending on how many images you have, it may take a few minutes, but you should get something like this. Now, I didn't choose to put the file names on here. I could have done that, but this was all of one contact sheet. And since you're on your computers, you can simply just go to File, Print, and just print to the classroom printer. Okay, I want to give you one other way that you can do this. So if I'm in Photoshop and I want to have, let's just say I didn't go into Bridge first. I can go Automate, I can go Contact Sheet. And in here, I can say first go to a folder. Okay, now this time I'm going to say use the file name just so you can see this. And I can say I want to go to a folder, and I can choose where that folder is coming from. Now I'm on a PC. You're going to be on a Mac, so it'll look a little different. So let's say I just go find this folder, and I find my images, and I just say OK. And so it'll find everything that's in that folder, and then I just say OK here. And again, it's going to make the entire contact sheet. So I'm just going to pause while it does this. It'll take a few minutes. Okay, now if you get something like this, do not worry. It just means you have more than 30 images. So I can see I have these two here. If I click on the other one, here's all of my other images. So these are separate files. You're going to have to print them as separate pages for each one. So there's two ways you can go about this. You can see the names are underneath, so you can find your files a little easier. You can draw on this, circle it, figure out whatever else you need to do. All right, good luck.